Hey guys, welcome to week 4. I'm in my pod office here because the first video didn't have audio, so I'm trying again. Really quick, let's talk about your week 4 playlist. So in week 4, you are passing another lesson on iReady. Please make sure that you're tracking that in your ELA folder for your data tracker. The data tracker is located in your folder, and if you need help figuring out how to do that, again, the video is placed here. This week in week 4, you're moving forward away from grammar and you're getting started with our race unit, which is an introduction to argumentative writing. So you're going to start with just the R and A. There's a diagnostic here, a pear deck as a presentation for what to do, and then there is also a practice. Make sure you follow these steps in order. So you must go step 1, step 2, step 3, and do them in the correct order. And then your library reading this week is going to be reflection questions on your reading. These will be restate and answer reflection questions, and they will be graded. Once you're finished, there is an enrichment activity for you. This is just a friendly reminder that you guys have to have one lesson per week passed in iReady. Please only do one, don't do more, move forward, and then if you finish everything, you can absolutely get on iReady more if you'd like to. Okay. This week we're going to do something a little different where you are going to go ahead and submit some of these documents in Google Classroom. There's going to be a submission box. So that's located in week 4. In week 4, it says week 4 submission. When you get to the week 4 submission, you'll click on it. You'll turn in your RNA diagnostic, the RNA practice, and the performance assessment. You'll add them all into the assignment, and then you'll submit them once you have them all done. Okay, do this instead of sharing your documents with me in Google Drive. Go ahead and just turn them in here when you're finished. Okay, all right guys, that is week 4. Please let me know if you guys have any questions or if you have any problems with the submission box, and good luck.